Hi there, welcome back to this quick morning yoga flow. If you want to start your day in a positive, high energy with a lot of positivity, then this video is for you. All you need is yoga mat, yourself, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, sit in any comfortable position. You can also spread your legs if you want to. Sit still but comfortable. Keep your hands over your knees or at the heart center. Close your eyes and just allow yourself to breathe normally. Just try to focus on your inhalations and exhalation and center yourself. Use this time to just be in the moment. Take 5 to 10 rounds of aware breathings. And once you feel ready, just gently open your eyes and eventually get in all your force. And then from there, try to stand tall halfway while folding your knees. Hold your elbows from side to side and practice ragdoll. Let your hamstrings, whole leg, upper body feel present and rejuvenated in the morning. Use this time to create some range of motion in your hips as well. Breathe nicely. And continue practicing. And once you practice for 10 rounds from each side, then eventually release the handstands and stand tall. Stand tall and keep the hands palms away from the body and inhale, lift up your heels and exhale, lower them down. Inhale, lift up and exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up again. Try to hold the stance as long as you can and then exhale down. Practice it up to 5 rounds. And then from here, extend the right foot out and draw the weight in the right heel and down. And while keeping the left feet stable, stretch the right hamstring really nice. Keep moving your toe while lifting up and down. And then of course change the leg and do the same from the other side. Give a nice stretch. Then at this moment, stand tall while keeping feet hip width apart. Inhale, hands goes up. And then one by one raise leg one at a time. Try to do a static marching while keeping the hands active and straight above your head. Try to do it for 30 seconds to 1 minute while keeping the stance intact. Keep breathing. And then eventually release your hands first and relax. Now hands over your hip and change to the side. Take the wall support if you have. Fold the right knee and hold the right foot. And then eventually try to shift the weight at the back. You can continue to have a wall support or you just can keep the hand over your hip. Keep pushing the knee backward while keeping the other leg straight or slightly knee bend it. Practice it up to 10 to 15 rounds from each side. And then change the side. You can also practice 5 rounds. If this feels really hard for you, remember to have a wall support for a better stability. And then release. And then get into a chair pose. While you get into a squat pose and hands goes up. Practice it 10 to 15 rounds. Inhale, exhale, release. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, try to tuck your thighs together and bring the hip as down as possible while keeping the core engaged. Shoulders not rounding up. Spine as straight as it can be. Keep the feet intact over the yoga mat. And remember to breathe. Keep breathing. And after you practice for 10 to 15 rounds, relax a bit and gently sit over the yoga mat and get onto all your fours. Where your knees and hips are in a line and shoulder and palms are in a line. Inhale, look up. Exhale, roll your spine. Inhale. Exhale, you can tuck your toes in or out as you feel comfortable. Inhale and exhale. Try to make the movement as slow with your breath as you can. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale longer. Exhale. Inhale. Hold up there and exhale. Completely hold the pose and just be in the moment. Now bring the right foot in between both the palms. Take the left hand up in the air while having the right palm over the support. Keep extending and stretching your left hand nicely. Keep your back leg active throughout the practice. And then change the side. This time bring left foot in between the palms and use left palm for the support and extend the right hand up. Keep your back leg active and keep moving the right hand from bottom to up in the air. When you take up, you look at the thumb if possible. And while continuing to have the back leg active, and keep breathing. And then release the pose. Bring the left leg back and open the knees a little wider than the hip width and eventually get into a child pose where you lower down your hips over your heels. With every exhalation, you try to bring down the hips down. Extend the arms right in front of the body, chest melting down over the yoga mat. If possible, chin or forehead over the yoga mat. And extend the hands and breathe nicely. Let this time be the best time for you to feel connected with your breath and feel more rejuvenated to start your day, to have the positive mindset, to have the positive attitude to get along through all the ups and downs of your day. Use this time just to be present with your breath, with your breathing pattern, and all the changes which has come across through this practice. Also give yourself a big thank you for showing up for yourself. And then with every exhalation, try to extend the arms even more far. And whenever you feel ready, you can end this practice and continue to be in the pose for a little longer. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.